As some of you may well know, many of the medications used to manage lupus are in fact not lupus drugs at all. To date, the Food and Drug Administration recognizes only 3 appropriate treatments: prednisone, plaquenil, and aspirin. These alone are either not effective enough or are too dangerous to be given in sufficient amounts to keep the immune system under control. What's more is that many symptoms of lupus are very similar to those of other autoimmune diseases like arthritis, which explains why some prescribed therapies used for such conditions is also used in the treatment of lupus. The good news is that all of this may be changing very soon. Human Genome Sciences, together with GlaxoSmithKline, are in the process of developing a new drug called Benlysta, formerly known as lymphostatin B. Benlysta is unique from existing lupus medications because it is formulated to reduce the production of autoantibodies, which are proteins that cause the body's immune system to overreact and attack its cells and tissues. Clinical trials began around 2003, and the first 2 phases have had favorable outcomes. Results from the final phase will be published on November 2, 2009, and if they prove to be successful, researchers will then be able to petition the Food and Drug Administration for approval. What makes this project so significant is that if it passes federal regulation, it will mark the first time in 50 years that a drug has been approved specifically for the treatment of lupus. It also says to those of us who suffer from this disease that the medical and scientific communities are paying attention. It gives us something to call our own and provides the recognition that we are so often denied. For more information about Human Genome Sciences and the Benlysta clinical trials, log on to www.hgsi.com. I'm Chandra Hightower, and this is a public service announcement brought to you by the Leap for Lupus Awareness Campaign.